Hello and welcome to the Rockets USA YouTube channel. I'm Ember. I'm a part of the Rockets team and I wanted to give you some basic tips on how to make and upload a YouTube video today. First thing you need is a way to record your video. Depending on the kind of video you want to make, there are two major methods of recording. Right now, I'm recording using a software on my computer, and in some of our other videos, we record using a camera. We usually use a phone, but you can use a regular camera as well. Using a camera is pretty easy. You just point it at what you want to video, hit record, and then turn it off when you're all done. Most people use a tripod so they don't have to hold a camera steady while they are busy doing something else, but oftentimes you can rig something that'll work the same way. I've seen lots of people like prop their phone up on a book or something, or their camera on a stack of books as a tripod. I'll probably do another in-depth video on how to operate softwares that I use, but for now I'm just going to give you a brief overview. I use OBS for recording on my computer, and I will link to where to download it down below. I mainly make gaming videos on my personal channel, and that requires me to be able to record my screen and what I'm doing. I'm also using it for this video so that I can show you how to upload to YouTube and how that works. Once you're done recording on OBS, you say stop recording right here, but then you can edit your video if you want to. I use Shotcut, which is another free software. It's going to be linked down below as well. And then once you're done with editing and all of that, you go to your YouTube studio, which you will click on your YouTube channel little icon up here for account, and then you can click on YouTube Studio. I'm in it right now. I guess I can do this. YouTube Studio. Once you're in your YouTube Studio, you go up to the right corner and you click Create. And then you push Upload Videos. And you can drag and drop the files if you want to, but you can also just select the file and open. So then this pops up right here. And this is where you're going to put all your information for your videos, like the title and the description. And then they always make you click whether it's made for kids or not before you can upload and publish the video. This is not made for kids. And if you do make it for kids, you can't comment on the videos. So make sure that you remember that. You can also put it in a playlist. This one is a how-to. We'll make a new playlist. We'll say shorts. And that can be the second playlist. So it can be in multiple playlists. And then you have to say if you are being paid during the video, and there's some general settings that you can go through and do. And then you can add tags to help people view your videos. So this one would be something like rocket. And then you push comma to get the tag to work and do things like that. You don't have to do any of the video selection or recording date or anything like that. This one is educational, so we're going to mark it as how to, but you can do a lot of other things. For my own videos on my own channel, do gaming, but this one is a how-to video. And then you can choose which comments are allowed to be automatically posted, or if you want them to be held to make sure that there's nothing inappropriate on your channel. If you don't care, just allow all comments. You can also disable comments. And then we have video elements. This is a short, so you can't really add anything, but normally on another video you could add subtitles and an end card and something else that I'm not remembering. This will show you if you have any copyright issues, and they'll let you know. And then you can go back and fix it. And then this one is what visibility you want your video to have. So private is if you want the video for yourself and those who you specifically send links to. Unlisted is similar, but if somebody else that you know sends a link to someone, they can still see the video this way with private. Only you can send the link for those people to be able to watch it. And then public, anybody can watch it. You can set it as a premiere, which means that you pick a time and then you can watch it with your viewers and kind of do it like a live stream. And then you can also schedule a video. So if you're doing like 3 videos a week and you want to post on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you just pick a date and you pick a time, and then it will automatically publish the video as public at that day and time. And then you can also set it as a premiere as well. Let's see if it'll let me pick a thumbnail. Okay, so normally on videos that are not shorts, right here you would pick a thumbnail. I guess on shorts you can't, but that is something that you can do. Or you can also upload a thumbnail that you have made yourself. Otherwise, it'll have you pick between 3 options of screenshots from the video itself. So I'm going to set this one to unlisted for now because we like to have multiple people review before we make it public. So then before publishing, they like you to make sure that if there's kids in the video, and then they also have some help stuff. So we'll publish that. I didn't fix everything that I want to. I'll go back later. But the one other thing I wanted to show you was verifying your channel right here. If you want longer videos, you automatically get this channel standard features. This is anybody who makes a channel gets this, where you can make video uploads and make playlists, and then add collaborators to your playlist and add new videos to existing playlists. But to be able to do intermediate features, which would be videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, which I was talking about, and live stream, you have to verify with your phone number or another method, which will be listed there. And then to get every single feature possible, you pretty much have to, you can either do video verification, valid ID, or channel history. Mine, we're going to probably do channel history because it's the easiest one. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is wait for 2 months. And then as long as you haven't broken any community guidelines, they'll just give you all the extra features. Anyways, I hope this helps you figure out how to upload a video, and I'm going to do 2 more videos, one on Shotcut and one on OBS, to kind of give a general overview of how I personally do things and some tips and tricks for basic editing and basic recording things. I hope that this helped and that you enjoyed the video. You can check out any of our other videos on our channel, and our websites will be linked down below, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.